we're having another look at another Renault Master. This one's Julie's and Charlie's, and yeah, it's very similar to ours, long wheelbase, but again a completely different layout. So Charlie, you've got all your bedding rolled up at the back, so so you got the lounge area and table. What I did find interesting in the table is actually on a three-legged stand, which is portable, so you can actually take that outside. You've got the DVLA regulating requirements if you wanted there, and Julie was saying that she uses the table there when she needs an extra work surface for cooking and things. The lockers have been left in as usual. Superb locker space, although this one has been cut down. Charlie cut this one, took it off, cut it down so they could fix the shower unit and the bathroom there. On the back here we've got all the electrics, solar. What solar panel have you got?
Just 100 watt.
100 watt solar panel coming in, and to the distribution control centre there. An inverter and
water heater down
1500 watt inverter there for some electrics. And another thing I did like, push button lights from Poundland. So, and there's a set of those, and they come with a remote as well. So that's really nice, quick lighting when you come back late at night. And curtains, and it's very light at the back here. And the bed, you were saying, Charlie,
it just pulls out
in the middle,
and then we sleep that way.
The side cushions go down the middle, and you sleep
that way,
lengthways, down the van. So
storage underneath,
and again plenty of storage underneath, all in flat plastic containers for ease. And we flip round, we've got the bulkhead and the kitchen unit.
We've got
and storage over the driver's cab.
We've also got the same.
Yeah. And Julie was saying that she needs things in plastic containers there because she can't reach to the back. It's so deep that she can't reach without them being in containers. And kitchen unit, we got the. You were saying that this all came out of a caravan.
Out of a caravan, yeah. Great. Oven.
Yeah.
Cupboard.
Again, lots of storage space under there. A sink.
Water pump, and the water tank is under there.
Yeah. Is that a fixed tank?
Yeah.
And what sort of pump have you got? Is it in line or is it a submersible?
In line.
In line.
There,
yeah. And fridge. Well, there's a nice lot of pressure there, isn't there?
Yeah.
And a fridge on just in
compressor fridge.
So is that a three-way or just on the electric?
Yeah.
So, if we're looking this little cupboard. This is where the toilet and
also
shower
out of the caravan as well.
Straight out the caravan.
Yep.
Yeah. Makes life a lot easier.
Yeah.
What did you do? Did you buy?
I just bought a scrap one, 360 quid.
Scrap 360 quid caravan, and just
took
use
everything out
of it. Yes.
The door, the door and everything. The only piece didn't out of it is this piece here. Because I had to break that to get all the rest out.
Right, so there's just the surround. But well, you'd never know because that matches so well to the original anyway. So, and you left like we have a lot of the soft head minor heads and things.
Just left everything, and we did have to move out.
And the table when we're travelling just fits down here with just a little clip to hold it in place.
Out of the caravan again.
Again out of the caravan. Nothing was wasted, obviously. So yeah.
We've got a water heater that was in the caravan under the seats. Electrical, gas, cellars.
So that provides the water for the shower,
hot water,
and hot water for the sink. Yeah. So, and you've left the doors open.
Oh, they open, yeah.
So you can get into the garage sort of space underneath there as well. So.
Oh, we've got a gas at the back.
Have you? What sort of gas system have you got?
Gas it.
Oh yes, we've got a gas system as well. Oh yeah.
I cut a hole in the wheelchair thing, and it just fitted in. That's a gasset one, and that's just a caliper spare. Run out. All metal lined.
Yeah. And then, if on a nice day, you can just open up the back and enjoy the view as well.
Yeah.
We don't have to buy steps to put it out before,
A nice tidy van. Very well done. And did it make it easier using the caravan stuff?
Oh yeah.
Everything it wasn't too hard to cut down.
John's done his one. From the start. And
that's your son.
Yeah. And he's built his. It took him a lot longer than it took me to do this.
Yes. And we're going to have a look at John's at some stage as well this weekend. So. A nice big spotlight. Is that the original as well?
That's it. It only works when the headlights are on.
Right.
Yeah. And we've got storage again under here.
Yeah.
Got a waste thing, and I've put the watering can in there.
Sort of the tool side of the camping. The bits and pieces. That's smashing. Thank you very much.
It's a pleasure.
So there's a diesel heater as well, John was saying. And this is the Thetford toilet. Cassette, the toilet.
Hot water.
The hot water heater on the side. Nice colour scheme.
Just died the back of the fridge.
And a Stoke City supporter. So that's Julie and Charlie's van.
You've been a good friend, and that's in the thick and thin.